Categories are merely useful ways of filtering items for selection from the Select Item form when you wish to perform an action, such as adding items to a room or associating a ready phrase with multiple items. For example, if we tick the Bathroom Items category while we have the new item highlighted to the left, if we return to the item description form and add the new item to the room, then on selecting the Bathroom Items category, our new item remains in the palette for selection. To edit the categories available and configure which items belong to a particular category, click on the Edit Categories button here. The list of categories that currently exist are displayed in the left-hand column, and the complete item set in the database is shown on the right. The items shown as ticked are included in whichever category is highlighted on the left. New categories can easily be added. Existing category names can be edited, and of course categories can be deleted. Note that deleting a category will not delete the items within that category from the database, but will remove that particular category as an available filter. Obviously, to remove any item from a category, untick it. And add any item to a category by ticking it. I'll select a few random items to associate with Category 1 now. Note that Category 1 is now shown in the list of categories, and if I now select the item Aerial, the tick box next to Category 1 is checked to indicate that Aerial is one of the items included in Category 1. It is also possible to associate any item selected with the given category at any time by ticking the checkbox next to the category. This is useful if you wish to add just one or two items to a category, but if you wish to associate several items with a category, you will find it more efficient to click on the Edit Categories button, highlight the category in question, and tick the various items as I did just a moment ago. Now I'll add all the items contained in Category 1 to a room at once. Note that I can use the Select All button at the bottom to quickly select all the items still visible in the palette. This is very useful if you wish to add every item in a category, but can also be used if there are many items and you wish to add most of them. It then becomes an exercise in unticking the few you don't wish to select, rather than ticking all the items you do wish to select. All the rather random items selected have been duly entered as main items. To conclude this section on categories, they are essentially just convenient item filters that can be customized and are most useful if you are looking to add either quite a few items at once, or if you are looking to assign a ready phrase or a pop-up phrase to quite a few items at once. As mentioned previously, please watch the video on using categories to assign phrases to multiple items if you wish to see an example of this.